happy here today. Papa Smurf is waiting.
Hello! You picked the perfect day for the visit. We're starting a new blockbuster movie starring Smurfette. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got Space Smurfs, Jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director.
Nein, das Gargamel!
I'm going to be the star of their movie. Lights, camera, we're rolling film, and action!
Hurry! We're gonna tell this guy it's Smurf now.
I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not in this scene.
This time I know I'm dying.
We're rolling.
Untentacle me by feet. You call this hospitality? Sir, this vicious beastie.
If I can't be the star, then I'll ruin this picture. Hey! Whoa! Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of the pesky little...
Next time, I will be the star.
Gargamel helped me discover new stars.
It was great to work with you. Let's do lunch.
We'll see you in the movies.